Assalamualaikum and welcome back, guys. So today I would like to do unboxing RLC and eBay items from USA. Okay, this box just arrived today, so we are going to check the content, and I have a quiz for you guys. RLC serial number. Watch out. Okay, for item number 1, RLC Lamborghini Countach. Yes, the black RLC Lambo. And this is the invoice from Mattel Hot Wheels collectors. So this we cannot avoid from the custom to check your taxes. Please don't cheat ma. So this is Flying Custom series, not complete yet. I think maybe in other package. So this highlight will be R30 and the rest of the cards. Next. Next will be Sylvia S15 couples, Formula Drift and Boulevard. And coming up is R35 US card speed graphics. So I don't know why I buy mainline cars, maybe just for fun. And Matchbox Mercedes, classic Mercedes. And another Flying Custom, 4 cards only, because I request repacking, so I'm also not sure which one is the full set of Flying Custom. Let's see later. Okay, again another R35 mainline cars together with the 510 RLC Datsun. Wow, this gold is very charming. You must have this one. Buy from eBay will cost you around 100 USD, free shipping to USA hub. So this will be the rest of the Flying Custom cards So if I combine with previous unboxing or previous package, so you can see that I have a complete 8 cards of first wave flying custom 2020. Wow, you can't hunt this one in Malaysia. You will never found one, I guarantee it. And again, another Sylvia's S15 cards. Coming next to me will be R32 HKS and also R33 Boulevard. First Boulevard, guys. And another Formula Drift S50 berbelit lidah gua. So chill guys, jangan marah-marah, set kita jangan pecah. Dan inilah penamatnya lagi S15 Formula Drift dan Boulevard. Sekian sahaja unboxing daripada comsgateway USA hub saya. Selamat menonton, thank you very much for support and teruskan mengumpul Hot Wheels. Okay guys, for final of the final, the last one, yang terakhir, Saigo ni Ozawa-san will give you a prize for those who guess what is my serial number. It is 4 digit and it's up to you to guess from 1000 until 9999. So the nearest one will receive my prize. Minasan, arigatou gozaimashita. Mata sugi na video. Ja ne.